Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. Today I'm going to show you guys how to solve Netflix error UI-120. So without any further delay, let's get right on the video. So the problem we are facing will be solved by just simply signing out and logging in into your Netflix account again. Now in order to do that, simply open the Netflix app, and at the top right corner you can see a cheetah icon on my screen. That means that is my profile icon. Let's just tap on that, and after that you will see an option that is called sign out at the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on the sign out button, and option will say yes or no. Yeah, are you sure that you want to sign out? Simply tap on yes. And what this will do is your account will be signed out, and now what you have to do again is now log in into your account, and you will be able to see your shows and videos that way you were not able to see before. Now the problem will be solved. So there you have it. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, please feel free to comment down below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for tuning in, and until then, goodbye.